Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to contact Godaddy Support. So let's get started. So at first we need to visit godaddy.com and after that we need to log into our account. So from the top we are going to click on sign in and after that we are going to click on sign in again. And here we need to enter our Godaddy username and password and then click on sign in. So once you are logged into your account, from the top we are going to click on help center. And here it will show you all the information regarding your account. But from the top we are going to click on contact us button. And here it will show you all the contact details. Let's say you want to call the Godaddy customer support, then you can use this number to call the support. Or if you want to send them a message, then you can use this number. Or if you want to have a live chat with the customer support, then just click on chat now button. And in this way a live chat pop-up will appear. And from here you can easily contact with the Godaddy customer support. If you need technical support, just click on technical support. And here you can type your issues and you can ask them to fix them. Let's say you need help with the domains. From the top just click on domain. So this is how you can contact Godaddy customer support. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.